I guess I should look at this thing again now. Yay! Oh, you gotta see this. Update. Oh, nice, consistent, strong spark. And puffs out of every hole. So is timing way off? Well, what do you like now? About the same. It really thought about firing off camera. So let's try this one more time. Aha! All right. Now it's gonna be a runner. All I did was, dribble some oil in the spark plug holes and change the last 2 plugs and wait a week. Maybe it was just mad at me the other day. I don't know why. Fill in the glass bowl. Pulling in air. Huh. Last time it was pouring fuel out everywhere. I think it fixed itself. Again. I think I flooded it. Come on. What a profound disappointment. Yep, the heat-on seat fixed itself. Or it's clogged solid. I don't know if you can see and hear this, but the pump fixed itself too. You jerk. Wow. All right, you, this is your last chance. You better run now or I'll maybe try to make you run at a later date. Why is the coffee always gone? Editor's note! I hadn't hit record and I missed the crucial moment when it started for the first time. It sounded something like... Oh, just a little oil smoke. Gonna run out of fuel. Look at that. That's all that oil I dumped down coming back up. Yeah. Well, now I gotta get more fuel. I mean, Jesus. And now that you're a runner, I guess you deserve more cooling juices. No, it's just water, actually. And I suppose we'll replace the missing 1.5 quarts of oil. Should be in the crankcase. You know, give this thing a treat. So, what does the world's most stubborn flathead have to say now? Yeah, that's what I thought. Absolute unit. That's running mixed fuel and it was full of oil just a minute ago, so I wouldn't worry about the smoke just yet. But will it move under its own power? It would if it had tires. Yeah, that's hilarious. Okay. Well, I think we've all learned a valuable lesson about perseverance or something. Well, that was fun. I think the payoff was worth it. Next on the agenda, wheels with tires on them. Oh, and we need to smack this drum with a hammer because it doesn't move. Axle flange nuts might be a nice idea too. Heck, maybe even all the wheel bolts, you know. Just restore it real quick. I don't know why this thing was such a pain. Crappy ring seal maybe? If you watched the first video, you saw it was slowing down when it was rotating, but as soon as I took the plugs out, it didn't. And as soon as I dumped some oil down the holes, it sounded consistent when it cranked. And then it fired. So yeah, all good. Wait a second. That Scamp I disassembled was a disc brake car, which means these are big bolt, which means I've had wheels and tires the whole time. Yep, always be charging. And the good batteries are for closers. If you're not hip to it, these driver's side lug bolts and nuts in later years are reverse thread, at least until 1971. Looks like someone tried to separate this flanged axle with a hammer, so this won't thread anymore. Classic. The front wheels have these super handy locating studs, which unfortunately I'm gonna have to remove. Oh, unrelated. Yeah, it's been off and it's loose and backing plate's all destroyed, and I bet this is the one that's missing those brake shoes in the cab. It's fine. Let's continue anyway. For science. I don't usually like to use a house beater for mechanicking, but unfortunately, all my other hammers became sentient and wandered away. Yeah, it worked. They're on there. Look at it now. Well, it looks the same, but with tires. Oh, if future generations are watching, the hub-centric on the rear was correct. I think the opening on the wheels is a little small on the front. Either that or they're just stubborn, but the right side one did not do that thing we like. Oh well, might move anyway. Well, this will either work or it won't. Oh, my butt's already wet. Yeah, it did the thing. Oh, fuel pump. If the handbrake would move, I'd be a lot more excited about a test drive. It's a no, gang. Yeah, the old rocking trick, it did it. It worked. Now it rolls too well and it doesn't stop. Well, I went and grabbed my emergency brake adjustment toolkit. Huh. In my experience, driveline brakes usually kind of work. But this one's being stubborn. Now, I hope you guys don't mind, but I went ahead and restored the truck off camera. I mean, it is ready to go. Oh, what's that? Did I fix the brakes? No. If you're so funny, maybe you should host a show. Well, I restored it to original factory specifications. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's take it all in. Okay, sure. It would be ideal if the bed was held up by something other than fear and held together with something other than zip ties and broken sheet metal. But hey, I won't tell if you don't tell. Oh, what is this? Always with the raining. I guess we see what it does. It'll either make it down the street or it won't. Luckily, it's not too far a walk. Oh, ew. Accelerator pedal's quick release. It's got one of those time delay clutches in it. That's usually reserved reserved for race cars only, you know. You gotta say a prayer that the fuel can stays attached too. It's the last one I got with anything in it. Oh. Alright. Someone go ahead and get in the comments and complain about how I don't know how to shift. And then next time I'll double clutch. Ah, yeah, this is the heavy duty 4-speed. I thought it was the 3-speed. Everything is going swell so far. Okay, just for you, Grumpy Gus. Double clutch. Alright. Oh god, it's terrifying. It doesn't go straight, it just goes everywhere. Oh, and I have no brakes. Yep. Here's my brakes. Oh, you gotta see this. Ah, who needs brakes? Just throw out an anchor. Good times. My back hurts. Mr. Crappy Battery, can I have one more start? I just want to park this pile. Yes! Yes! Haha! No, it's fine. It's one of them custom low-rise beds, you know, for easy loading. Okay. If it handled 18% better, the bed was held on with something, and the brake pedal did anything, this thing would be fantastic. Okay, something to fill this hole would be nice too. But hey, not only did it drive down the street, it drove back and made it to step-side Dodge parking. Guess I should flip those two so they're in age order. Well, now that it's slightly operational, what do we do with this thing? Let me know what you think. It might happen. It also might not. Hey, thanks for watching. And remember, Brondo has what plants crave. It's got electrolytes.